let's head back over to our index.ts, and we will just import what all we need here. I think we're going to need to import item, discount, items, and discounts. And let's do console.log right here. So we have a placeholder in our terminal. So there's two ways we could do this. When I figured this out, I broke it out a little bit longer, and we'll look at some of those techniques. But I'm just going to say const calculation. Looks weird. We're going to take a box and we're going to put our items in the box. Now we're going to map over these. I'm just going to call them X's. We know it's an item array. And we're just going to map over these. We know this is an item. So I'm going to take another box and put Y in that box. So now we have a box inside of a box. And I guess if we were to try to fold this one, we don't have any console logging there. So we have a box with a bunch of boxes in it. So if we took the first box, we'd probably get something that's a little more usable. Okay. But I don't want to fold just yet. Leave our folding for later. So inside this second box now, just give us a placeholder so we know where everybody's at. We're going to do a map. I will just give it any for now. And we're going to figure out what our discount is. So we're going to filter over our discounts. That is of type discount. And actually this is just going to be an item. We're going to say discount.department is equal to i.department number. And then we need the 0th element of that array. And we need to spell department number right. Okay. So now we have an object inside of this box right here that looks like one of these objects. So we need to pull out the discount part of it. And so we'll map over that. Be an X. And that's going to be a discount. And since we know the non-food won't find a discount, so we have to keep that in mind. So we'll say X. If X is there, and give us a discount. Otherwise, just give us nothing. So we're going to map over that. And this should just be a number. Because it should just be our 5, our 10, or our 15. And we're going to create a new object with the discount of X. And the amount we want to take off the item. We still have access to Y up here. It's still in scope. So we can say Y dot price. So it knows all of the IntelliSense. And we'll do it as a number so it doesn't complain. And then we'll divide it by Y dot split as a number. And then if we take all of that, we get rid of the sidebar. And we multiply it times the amount of our discount times 0.01. That'll give us the amount we need to subtract from our item. So we're going to map again. We're still inside our second box. Excuse me. So X. We don't have a type for this. We'll just say discount. It has a number. And then there's an off amount. And that's a number. And then we'll take that. Shove that into a new object that has the discount. X dot discount. And it has the sale price. And the sale price is going to be Y dot price as number divided by Y dot split as a number minus X dot off amount. Let's make that minus, sorry. So now we have our correct, we should be able to have our correct discount and sale price. So now we're going to dot map this. And we'll make a type for this called iDiscount. So let's come up here and make a type. Or let's make it an interface. It's going to have a discount, which is a number, and sale price, which is a number. Okay. And we'll take that and just clean it up if we have any crazy rounding issue. So that should get rid of something's awry here. Oh, yeah, we need some curly braces right here, don't we? There we go. That'll make everybody happy. not map it one more time. Put this into an object that makes a copy of our Y, puts the discount in the sale price, x.sale price, and if we fold that, that's an item. It's probably going to be like an item array. And what we should have our bananas have sale price 35 cents. This goes from 169 to 161. 159 to 151. 329 to 313. 129 to 123. 99 to 84. 359 to 305. This one did not have a discount, so that never changed. And we didn't have to take our sale price right here and that'll give us a number for it, right? Oh, what is that? Oh. Well, they should all still have a sale price, though, right? I believe they do. Even the last one has a sale price. I'm told that was a number. Yeah, that is kind of bizarre. Because we fixed it here. Use our good old-fashioned trace. It's a string when it gets to here. Well, that is very interesting, isn't it? I did not notice that in my testing. That's a 2 fixed. Plus right there. There we go. Now we got a number. Take our trace back out. So one of the things you do is when you're trying to construct this and you can't wrap your head around, okay, this box inside this box, and it's like, what is going on? When you do these maps, you can just do like a return like you normally do. So you do like a dot map, x, any, and then write some code in here. And just make sure that you return something that can continue to be mapped. Otherwise, just don't have any more maps. And so now you can put your debugger inside of there, you can run through all of that. It's really cool. But, so we put the items into a box, and then we pulled them back out of the box, and then folded that box back over, and did all of our magic inside of the box. In theory, you could construct this different ways. This is just how I put it together myself. So have fun, play with that, see what you think. I think it's awesome. And yeah, so that's that.